Alright, I'm out of Evergreen. DJ's on his way. I am driving today in a grassroots competition. Car's running great. It's right over there, and I'm gonna try to set up this GoPro so I can get some in-car footage. Not really sure how I'm gonna do that because I am missing a piece for this cage mount. Might use some tape or something, but we'll figure it out. It's super wet today, but the car's feeling good. I just did 2 practice runs, so we'll see what happens. Currently taping the GoPro to the cage, so this might be the only footage we get today, the only angle anyways, because I'm gonna tape the shit out of this because I forgot the fucking thing, unless DJ brings it. I asked him to bring it, but I don't know if he knows where his is either, so we'll just have to make do with this for now. So yeah, it's really wet. I got the GoPro on, it's all mounted up. I can see it on my phone. How sick is that? Oh, there's David. What up? Dude, it's wet as hell. Okay, I'm gonna go practice some more. That felt really good. Car feels grippy. I didn't miss shift into second or miss the gear entirely. Might go out a couple more times depending on how much time we have left for practice, but I'm gonna let the car cool down for a minute. Somehow my fan switch got wired to my wiper switch. I'm not really sure how that happened, but now if my fans are on, my wipers are on, and it's not raining anymore, which is also kind of scary because we've been driving and practicing in the rain, and I only have 1 pair of tires because I figured it would rain all day, unless I'm broke.
Now I'm here.
Yeah, he's here, but the GoPro's taped to the cage, and we're just gonna leave it there. So this is how we're gonna do the video today.
What's up? I hope you enjoy the rest of the driving.
bad,
straight.
dude. It sucks.
Yeah.
Fucked up.
The first one when I was following, I just saw it and I was like, oh shit. And I under then over it, I just grabbed the e-brake.
Yeah, dude, I almost spun out on the bank
second
there.
time I just powered through it.
It's bad. Alright, so as you guys just saw, I won my first battle. The guy spun out in front of me. The track is super weird and really unpredictable, and that's obviously why he spun out. Yeah, the car was feeling kind of funny on that follow run. You might have been able to hear it. Felt like it was breaking up or something. It felt like it had a boost leak, but I think it might have been overheating, and the rev limiter was capping low, so we're just gonna see what happens on the next one, I guess, and go from there. So, on to the next round. It's just hot. My car got so hot and I was like losing power on the straight, and I like fucked him up. That's probably why he won. He hit me on the bank.
Yeah, we saw it. He was initiated like just past.
All right, so a lot has happened since we last updated, but we're outside the car now, holding on to the GoPro.
How's that
hand.
feel? That must be good. Oh, all that mobility.
But I got some other footage on Maurice's GoPro. It's just like right here. It was mounted on the windshield and it actually looks pretty cool. I looked at it on the GoPro, so that'll be cool. The car was doing good until it started overheating, and then it just like went all downhill from there. It got worse because we had to do it one more time. And yeah, so the car just overheated, and then I was like trying to pull through third gear on the straight and it just was like dying on me. And then when I went to initiate, he was like super close to me because my car wasn't going like as fast as it should have been. And then he hit me on entry, did that. All that tow out is not normal. Yeah, so that actually really sucks because these knuckles are very expensive. Hopefully we can fix that. We'll see. We got a private drift event coming up.
Like a week?
In a week, yeah. So I might end up bringing my Corolla if it rains. That would be fun.
That would be fun.
So I don't know, might try to fix this as well. Won my first battle, lost my second. It's always really shitty to lose your first battle and not get to go anywhere. So I'm glad I won my first one. And I'm glad the car was doing good in the beginning, but then shit kind of went downhill. That's how it goes. I'm gonna think about putting the stock turbo back on and just like upgrading this, like rebuilding the stock turbo, because there's a couple companies that do that around here, and I just miss having like a stock car that I don't have to worry about. On Monday we're doing something sick, so we'll probably make a video on Monday.
What, Monday?
Yeah.
What are we doing Monday?
What are we doing Monday?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video, and shout out to all of our patrons.
I just no scope, yo bitch, check the bandy cam. 10 racks in my hands, call me Edward Van Hands. I was in a band, man, we were called the Band Band. Meet me at the Denny's, cause I'm cooking up a band slam. Yeah. Ooh, ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Yeah. Ooh, I have way more money than you. Ran out of pockets, keep money in my shoe. 10 rollies on my wrist, dream come true. Granting all my wish, that's what the money do. Rolling up a swish, puff till I turn blue. Double styrofoam dish, brain turned to goo. I don't really care, cause the doctor make it new. I'm really rich, and that's what the money do. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, ooh, yeah. Ooh, yay. Woo, yeah. Ooh, ee, blah, 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 pussy, money, money, weed. Yada, 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 got a wad of paper all green. Henny, 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 roly-polies for my team. Zanny, Molly, Percocet, and promethazine. Got a lot of Lamborghinis in my Lambo account. How many do you got? Bitch, you know I can't count. I just dropped a rack on a couple new rack mounts so I can put